What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. It's having a red day, but we're also going to take a look at ETFs that I think tell us that we should be extremely bullish, and perhaps we're not bullish enough. Okay, we're going to take a look at that. We're going to take a look at the DXY. It keeps rising. What's up with that? And we're going to take a look at some altcoins that I think are in good buying zones now, or could be. And obviously, if we're looking at these altcoins because I think they have good long-term potential, and by long-term I mean for the pump that we're waiting for, the parabolic part of this cycle in 2025. And so without further ado, let's do this. Let's start here with the ETF thing. Bitcoin ETFs have crossed 20 billion in net flows. This is from Eric Balkunis, the most important number, most difficult metric to grow in the ETF world. So $20 billion is actually a huge feat. For first time after a huge week of 1.5 billion last week, I guess they had 1.5 billion in inflows, guys. So for context, it took gold ETFs about 5 years to 5 years to reach the same number. Total assets now 65 billion, also a high watermark. Okay, so things are just getting started. There's going to be more waves, guys. Okay, so when you're seeing red days like we are having today, okay, even with others, right, which is like the altcoins are having red days, that is opportunity. All right, remember these days here where people got scared of red days. Look how high we've come, and people might be scared now. I hope not, but that's how people are. We are at the top of this channel, right, that we have identified. It is retesting it. If we don't keep it, then yes, I see us dropping down and slowly going maybe to the bottom of this channel before coming back up. Okay, but that would kill a few days at least, right? That would kill a few days at least, maybe a week or more, depending on how long it takes to drop down, and then how long it stays there before it does move up, as it's been doing. So it wouldn't be out of the ordinary for this to be a fake out and then to drop down. But would it drop down all the way? I don't know. It depends. A lot of factors. But right now, that's not even that's one of the probabilities. That's a possibility, right? Especially if we don't keep if we lose this body right here today. But it could be for the next couple of days that it just plays right around here. I thought we would be playing a little bit higher. I thought we were going to be reaching up here, but today's Thursday, so we have tomorrow. So maybe I will be wrong that we don't hit 69,179 today, but we're close. All right. Now, if in fact we lose this, then yeah, okay, the probabilities increase that we do drop down more. I don't know that we drop all the way down here to $61,300 though. Again, it would take a few days if that was in fact the case. But it could be just a red day, people taking profits for whatever reason. But I think the uptrend will continue, and tomorrow it could be that we touch 69,179. Remember, don't be too bearish, guys. 20 billion in net inflows. Gold ETFs didn't do that for 5 years, and we're just getting started. Okay, Bitcoin is on another level, guys, and when Bitcoin rises, everything else rises. So I'm not saying to go buy Bitcoin or anything when I'm talking about it. We just have to know what's going on with Bitcoin, because the way it moves, we can plan accordingly with what we're doing with our moves with altcoins. Well, at least for people that watch this, that like altcoins, right? That people that watch this channel. And if you watch this channel, it's probably because you like altcoins. DXY, this is crazy right here. Look at that. And the first area of resistance is 104.02. Do you think we touch it? I think we do. Let's see if we can finally bump our heads here and then kind of start going back down. That would be ideal. But I mean, look, the Dow Jones again, the Nasdaq, all that stuff looks fine. I mean, looks strong. Okay, it looks very strong. Looks more than fine. So a little red day, no biggie. Let's see if tomorrow we don't attempt to do it. We have tomorrow, and then the weekend there won't be too much going on, but you never know. So far, I like it. So far, I'm still my base case is that we're gonna attempt, and I could be right that we attempt to touch 69,179 this week, tomorrow. Let's see. If not, then into next week. As long as we keep this area as support, and that's what we're doing right now, testing it. Then I can definitely see us making the attempt. If it is strong support and we don't go drop, then boom, we are testing 69,179, and we are probably trying to break through. I don't know that we keep it, and maybe we just kind of hang out right here in this triangle that we have identified, and that's how I see that. So let's take a look at now some altcoins and some good buy zones, because this is where you make your dough. Rio keeps dropping, huh? Look at that. Let's see if it comes back a little bit. It should. I mean, it's not a horrible project. It's just the team really doesn't like crypto. It's stupid. Anyways, Credify. I like this project still. Is it building like a inverse head and shoulders? It's a massive one if that's in fact the case. Toshi, I think we could drop a little bit more. Okay, if we drop a little bit more than, you know, in this zone right around here, 15, 14, 13. And I mean 14. Yeah, I don't know if we dropped all the way down 13, but it is possible. Okay, it is possible. But wherever it ends up being and starts kind of doing this sideways, that's where I would be buying. Okay, maybe a nibble right now because you don't know. It could be a fake out and it could go the other way. All right, I am bullish on the rest of the market. If the rest of the market moves up, so will projects like Toshi. Neural is another one that I've been mentioning recently, and same type of structure that it's building, right? This triangle that usually breaks to the downside, and both of them now looking like they might start breaking to the downside a bit. Let's see how low this goes. I'd be nibbling a little bit. Here. Okay, because I don't know that this one goes too low. It's possible though. It's possible, but it's showing strength, and this could be just the best buying opportunity before it kind of reverses a little bit, maybe starts going sideways. We'll see, but I'd nibble a little bit. What else? Creo is also another one. Creo did the same type of pattern. Okay, it broke, right? It hit the support, came back up, and now just right back down. This would be a good buying up. Maybe you could buy it a little lower. Yeah, maybe it hangs out here for a little while. 0.041, 0.0440, but I think it'll turn around. I think this would be a good area of entry. And I think that's it, guys. It's a quick little video for you guys. This one just keeps moving. Doesn't have that much volume though, but I mean, it just keeps moving. Now this target says 12 cents, so we'll see what happens. Maybe it does get to 12 cents and then it starts to consolidate, but pretty cool. I like it. Real world asset play, new project, Home 3, HTS. Okay, 5% buy and sell tax. Keep that in mind. Sin continues to be in a good buying zone. Oh, Miggles is also one. Look at this. Okay, let's see if Miggles can drop a little bit more. Let's see if we do lose this area right here that's kind of been playing with the bottom of this area. Let's see if finally, because every time we've touched it, we come back in to the channel, but this time maybe it might just drop a little bit and we could catch it at 0.01. All right, patience goes a long way, guys, and this is a good project. If you could buy it at good entry points, a little lower, yeah, I would definitely be keeping it on the lookout. I might nibble here. If I don't have any exposure to it, then yes, I would nibble here. But I think maybe you catch it a little lower. Maybe it reverses. Okay, maybe it reverses, but I think maybe it can go a little lower. All right, let's see. I think that's it, boys and girls. Let's take a look over here at the other. Apple is also another one that's in a good area. That's right. And I have it here too, right here. Apple, it's consolidating for sure. Okay, could it be that maybe it's going to start building a little triangle, so that you could just be buying all of this before eventually it moves probably up. So just see if you can get it below this line. So look at below 10 cents. If you can get it below 10 cents, like where it is now, 9 cents, great. Maybe it drops a little bit, but it just might be coming up and down, but catch it below this line right here. Be nibbling, because I think it's in consolidation, and consolidation before the next leg up. Okay, it's a meme play. Cool, that's it, guys. That's as much alpha as I got for today. Guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel and all this stuff. It really helps. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.